So welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE, and in today's video I have someone with me. Yes, how well does he knows me as a sister? So today I'm going to ask him these questions and he have to answer. Yes, he have to do it. So the person I have in the building is Crown Guard. That is his stage name. He's a musician as well. So yeah, that is his stage name, Crown Guard, and his real name is Joseph Alubankode. So he's here with me today. So yeah, without much ado, let's dive into the video. So yeah.
Lyrical freaking on me head that you feel me insane. Everything me do, me not do it in vain. Shot a fly through your face if you say we not gonna make it. Mac Parazzi Crown Guard represent.
Yes, so I have Prangal with me today, so I'm going to ask him questions. Questions concerning me. Yes, I want to know how much he knows me. So we are going to ask these questions. And the questions are here. Okay. Joseph, you are welcome to my channel. Say something.
Thank you.
Make sure you answer them. What is my favorite color? What is my favorite color?
Red color.
Yeah.
I think it's red.
My favorite color is what?
Red.
No. My favorite color is not red. My favorite color is lemon green. That is what I like most. Lemon green is my favorite color. So what's tobacco? So- okay, so um what is my favorite food? My favorite food.
To say about that, I think it's beans.
Hi Joe, I think recently now, it's not recently that you came that you have been eating beans.
So.
No, Joe, you came recently and we started eating beans. That is why you said beans. It's not beans.
Because I can say that no, beans is your favorite. That's why you like.
So beans is my favorite.
Yeah.
Actually, beans is not my favorite. My favorite food is rice and stew. Yeah, rice and stew. But beans is something that maybe I eat. Maybe if I like, that is what I will say. So that is it. My next question: which of my personality traits do you admire the most?
Well, I can see you are kind, and yeah.
Hey,
And
Joe.
you are kind, you are loving, and you are caring.
Hey, are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure.
No, it's not because of YouTube.
Oh, I'm sure. Like, growing up, studying you, how you have been relating, yeah, I can see that you are loving, you are kind, and you are.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm sure.
Hey. So my next question. Okay. If I could plan the perfect family meal, what could we be eating? Joe,
Yeah.
Akle. Hey, so you think I will be cooking akle?
Yeah.
Hey, Joe. That is the only food akle. Yeah. My next question is what food do I make well? What food?
Almost every food.
Almost every food. So don't you have a specific food that you think that Eunice is best in that particular food, or cooking that particular food? Eunice is the best person to cook that particular food.
Well, I don't think I can be more specific because according to everything, I think you are good at almost all the food that you are cooking.
Hey. Okay, so my next question for you. What is the name of the nursing school I attended?
Monrev, I don't know. The
Monrev Healthcare Institute.
um,
Okay, that is it. Hey Joe, so you don't know me. Okay. So what is my the name of my secondary school? that I attended.
St. James.
Continue. Just mention the full name.
St. James Senior High School.
This one that you have gotten them. So among our parents, like who do I love most?
Mom.
What shows that is mom?
It's always her. It's always her.
So among my siblings, who do I love most?
I think it's me.
Joseph, you are getting me.
I think
what shows that is you? What shows?
Everything shows.
Hey, this guy, you think I love you most?
Everything shows.
So, okay. Who was my first guy to date?
To me, the first guy that I knew to date, to me, that's to me, is DJ Kiss.
Hey, Joe. To you is
DJ
DJ
Kiss.
Kiss.
That's what I know.
Okay. Okay. But it's not him.
Then it's who? It's who?
It's who? Okay, yeah. You are right. So now, when did I completed my SHS?
I can't really recollect.
That was 2013. Yeah, I completed SHS 2013. Yes. Am I an introvert person or an extrovert?
I would say you're an extrovert because studying you from your infant, you can talk plenty till now. You are a talkative. Yeah, you talk plenty. That one is something. It's a trait about you. You can talk. That's it.
Let's pause it. So when growing up in our family, among our cousins, who is the person that I am more close to? Among our cousins, who am I close to more than the other cousins?
It's gonna be a tough one.
Oh, it's not a tough question. Among our cousins, there's a particular one that even if I'm on vacation, I have to go to her. I have to go to her place. I have to go to her, So who is that person?
I think it's Sister Yabo.
Harriet. You are right. You are right. Harriet is someone like when it comes to the cousins, she's the ones that I'm more closer to, and yeah. So you are right. So among our parents, when something is wrong with me, if I have a problem, whom do I share it with?
Well, you always consult your mother most.
So that means our father, I don't consult him or I don't
consult him like that, but most times you always consult your mother.
Hey, this one that you are getting you. Okay. So yeah. So when it comes to my body personality, what do you think I admire most?
I think it's your skin.
My skin.
Yeah, you admire your skin most.
My love. Recently, I do my skincare and everything. That is what you are saying that I catch you.
You
Okay.
admire your skin
Yeah.
most.
I love my skin most. Because any scratching things, make us I talk. So yeah. We have come to the end of the video, and Crown Guard has gotten some of the questions and some he hasn't. So yeah, that is all about me, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If it does, give me the thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe. You see there, subscribe, and also put on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in my next video. So do you have anything to say?
Not at all. I don't have anything to say.
Okay, so
So that's
without much ado, I'm out.